Hey, welcome back guys to the part 1 of Readers Read project, and in this tutorial I will be designing this form and we will be getting the book details using ISBN number which we will add here, and on the click of the search icon the book details should be available, book name, published date and all those things should be available here. We won't be doing the submit action, we'll be getting just data from Google API. To get the data we are going to use Google API, so that is what we are going to do. But before that I will show you some samples. So maybe Harry Potter book ISBN number, this we can try. We can go with this. Let's see this if we can get this detail. So if you can see, the data is available but the image is not available. ISBN number of Wings of Fire, maybe you can check. We'll check for this. So if you can see, we are getting the book cover as well. Some of the data which we might not get is publishing date, but you can choose it from here, so that you can do. So now let's go and let's start with designing and coding. So I'll close this and I will close this as well. So now I will go to my file explorer, YouTube, JavaScript. Here I will create a folder, readers record, and this I will open with code. So now once it is open, what we are going to do is we are going to create one HTML file, name it as book.html. Here add this syntax, and here we will add the link of font awesome. So what I'll do is I'll open my Chrome, I will search font awesome CDN, this library. Now I'm just going to copy it and I will paste it here. Here I will add book as a title. Inside body we will add header, this will be h1 b readers record will be a class of container, be a class of div header. We will create one div, but this will be with ID, so this will be image hyphen container. Inside this it will be a img image, will have a ID of book image. Okay, let's go. And for src you can copy it, this link. I will add this link in my description, you can get it from there. Now we have to come outside this header div, and here we will be adding a div of a class form. This will have another div left, and there will be another div of right. And now we will have last div, which is button hyphen container. Now we have created all the divs. Now we have to add all the labels and inputs here. So in left, what we will do is we will add h2, this will be book information, will have label for book name will be book name. This will have input, so input type will be text. This will have ID, same as this, book name. There will be a name. This will be also book name and be required. Same way, just copy it and paste it here and change it to ISBN. This will be ISBN number. Okay, here we have label, we have input as well, but what we are going to do is we are going to add one div which have a class of input hyphen icon, because we have to add icon. Okay, so that is the reason we are adding this. We have added this input. This will be text, type text, and ID will be ISBN, sorry, ISBN, and book name will be also ISBN. Save it. After this, we will have an I tag, I class fa hyphen search. Save it. There will be another label and input, so copy and paste it here. This will be your author name, same way, just copy it, paste it here. So we are done with our left hand side. We have to add for right hand side as well. So same way, whatever we have added, we can add it on the right hand side as well, but this will be your additional information. Okay, this will be your published date. Copy, just change it. Published date. This will be type date. Okay, after this we will be having another which is genre, and this will be your genre input. Copy it, paste it here. This will be your again text, name will be genre input, and the last one would be your description. So we have done HTML5 validation. We are not doing JavaScript external validation, just simple, because the motto is to create a project and not just doing validation using JavaScript. So that is the reason I'm not doing JavaScript validation and using required everywhere. So description, can just description, yeah, copy it, paste it here as well, but this is your text area. Don't need to add type text. Okay, you can avoid that, but what you can do is you can add the rows, which will be of 5 rows. You can save it. Now this has been done. The last one is your button, so we have to add button here. Button type will be your button, and this will have class btn. Okay, btns maybe. Now we will have submit here. Save it. Now if you'll go and if you run this, So this is how our page looks, everything is messed up. Page doesn't look good. So now what we have to do is we have to create a CSS and we have to style it page. So this will be book.css. Let's go and here, and now we will start with body. Margin 0, padding will be 0, font family Arial and sans serif. So Helvetica I'll just remove. Background color be 6 to be 3 AD 9E. So I don't remember it. I'm just checking it if it is correct or not. Color will be this. Now after body we have to style our header. Background color will be 5150050. Okay, now color will be white, text align center and padding of 15 px. Now if you'll see, I guess you will be able to see at least header, but the color is not here because we haven't added the link here. So just go and add it here. Link, this will be your style sheet. Href will be book.css. Yeah, save it. Now if you'll see, the header is available. Same way we have to style it for every other field. Now let's go and we'll start with container, but it is better to copy it, all the classes from here, classes and IDs, just copy it because it may, happens that you'll misspell it or there will be a spelling mistake and we will spend our time to resolve it. So it is better to copy and paste it from there. So this will be 20 pixels, auto, padding of 20 pixels, background color RGBA 255, 255, 255, 0.8. Okay, now border radius will be 8 pixels, box shadow 0 0 10 pixels, RGBA 0 0 0 and 0.2. Now position will be relative. So after this we have to add another class which is header, which we are getting it from here. So just copy it, paste it. So it will be text align center, margin bottom 20 pixels, dot header image will be of width 150 pixels, so not 15, 150. Height will be auto, border radius will be 8 pixels. Save it and we will see how it looks So this is how it looks. The image look nice, but we have to style this as well. So let's go. So now we have our image container, which is with the ID. We'll add the pointer for this. So this will be cursor pointer. And after this, we should be working on form display flex justify content space between. We will be having two classes, left comma right. This will be of width. We will do calculation because we will be dividing it in an 50-50%. So that is why 50 minus 10 pixels. So this will be of like 50-50%, and there will be a space of 10 pixels in between. So if I'll refresh this, now you can see this looks good. Again, we have to go and we have to style our left only dot left margin right of 20 pixels, and we have right which will have margin left of 20 pixels. Save it. This left will have h2, also right will also have h2. This we have to do as margin bottom of 10 pixels. We have to style our label now. Label be display block. This will be input type is equal to double quotes text date or text area. For this, there will be a width of calculation 100%. So that will be within that 50%. Okay, 22 pixels. And now be a padding of 10 pixels, margin bottom of 20 pixels, border 1 pixel, solid border radius 4 pixel. Now we have to style our input icon class. So input hyphen icon. So we can get it from here, wherever it is, input icon. We have it, our input icon here. So just go and paste it here. Position relative dot input icon I. This will be of position absolute top 35%, right 12 pixels, transform translate y minus 50 px minus 50%, sorry, it will be minus 50%. Color will be 9. some grayish type of color. Cursor, pointer. Let's save it and let's see how it looks for now, how our page looks. So I'll refresh this. You can see it. This looks nice. The icon is here. It is because we have added top 35. We have everything here, but what we have to do is now on hover of this icon, the color should change it to like something else, black or maybe something. So that we will do. So input icon, hover. So it is not on icon, but on I, color. We can give a 1C, 1C, something like this. Yeah, this one. And now we have to style our button. So let's go the container, we can get it. So container, display, flex, justify content center. Let's save it. Let's see how it looks now. But I don't know why all these things is available inside this. To check, I guess we haven't closed this. So let's go and let's close it. Now if you will see, everything will be gone. But the submit button is here right now. So that we have to change. This will be the class of buttons, right? So this buttons, display, inline block, margin 20 pixels, 10 pixels and 0. Background color will be 3 4 3 4 9 8 dB. Color will be white. Border none. Border radius 4 pixels. Padding 10 pixels, 20 pixels. Cursor, pointer. There will be another for hover buttons. Hover, then it will change it to something else, maybe background color to 2980B9. Okay, now I'll save it and let's see how it looks. Okay, this doesn't look good. I guess we have messed up with something. We have div, everything looks fine, but this is inside form and this have, I guess this have one flex already, and there's a space in between kind of flex box. So we have to add this outside this form. Okay, so now if you will save it and if you will go, so this really looks nice. Now what we have to do is we have to type the ISBN number and we have to click on search, and on the click of search, the data should be available. So that we have to do. For that we should be creating one more file, but this will be of JS. So we will be writing JavaScript here. So let's start. We will start with declaration, and this will be your book image by ID, will be your document dot get element by ID. This will be your book image, and it is better to take it from here. Let's save it in double quotes. Same way, we will be copying it, Okay, this will be book name by ID. This will be your book name, maybe your book name, and you have to get the ID. Sometime, the name might be different and ID might be different, so it is better to take ID. Book author name by ID, author name by ID, and this will be your author name. Published date by ID. From here you can get it. Again, copy it, paste it here. Be description by ID. So this is the description, and the ISBN by ID. This one, paste it. There will be a last one, which is your genre. So that also we have to add. You can add it as a genre input. Why? I'll tell you why. Because we should be getting the genre once it is added. So that is the reason I am adding as a genre input. This one, get it, you can paste it here. Now after this, we'll be adding one async function. This will be validate ISBN and search book. Okay, here there will be a const ISBN is equal to ISBN by ID dot value dot value. Okay, value this one, and if ISBN is equal to empty, then we will get alert saying kindly add book ISBN number. Okay, else what we will do is we will try to get the data. Okay, try, and here it will be a catch. What we are catching? We are catching error. So inside your try block, you will be adding one const response is equal to await fetch. I will give you the link in a description. You can get that link and you can just paste it. So that is what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste that link here in this fetch. We'll add template literal and I'll just paste it. So what we are doing in this is we are calling the Google API. We are checking the ISBN which we are getting from our text box, which is here. If it is not null, then we are checking. If the book of that ISBN exists, then we are getting that data that we will write. To get the data, what you have to do is here If response not okay, then there will be a error, throw new error, and it will be in capital, that book not found. Okay, can go close this, come outside this if condition. There will be another declaration, const data is equal to await response. We will be getting it in a JSON format. So this another declaration, const book is equal to data dot items 0 dot volume info. Why we wrote this item 0? Because we are getting only one data. We need only one data. Whichever data is first with that ISBN, we will be showing that only. So book image by id dot src is equal to book dot image links. Maybe what we can do right now is we'll just comment it out and we will go to our page. This is our page, and what we can do is ISBN, right? So we will get this ISBN and we will just copy it and we will search for it. But what will happen here is, if you go to your source, and also we haven't added the script file path here, so add that as well, script src book.js. So we added the link here, but also we have to add the click function here. So on click, you have to call this function here, validate search. Okay, okay, now save it and let's go. Now let's add the ISBN number. Inspect this, go to source, and here we can add the breakpoint and let's search. Now if you'll see, I'll do this to step our next function. You will be getting something here. Maybe you can see for the response, we have got this API generated. Just copy it and paste it here. Now if you see, we have got everything here, everything is available here. So what we have to do, we have to get the details from here. So you have titles, you have author's name, publisher's name, you have everything available. So first we will start with image. Okay, so image is available, and here you can see there is an image link, so we have to copy it, and here which we commented out, we have to paste it here. Once pasting it, we have to check if the image is available. If it is available, then book dot image links dot, one more thing which we need is thumbnail. This we need, so we will add it here. Else what we will do is we will add the same same book which is already available, same cover which is already available. This we can do. And now once done with this, what we have to add is book name by id dot value is equal to book title, book dot title, which we will be getting from here. So copy it, paste it, author name by id dot value is equal to book, and we have the authors here. So dot authors, if they are available, then book dot authors. And if you'll see, we have two authors available, so that way we have to add the join here. So book authors join with comma, else single quotes, unknown author. Save it. But let's see if we are able to get some details, or it is not working only. So remove it, add it, and let's say click on it. So you can see the image is available, the name is available. Now the author is also here available. Now what we have to do is we have to add all the details and we will be done. So publish date by id dot value is equal to book dot publish date. We may not have it for this one, but I'll tell you what you have to add is publish published date. If it is available, then book dot published date, else not available. After this, description by id value is equal to book dot go check for the description, copy it, paste it here. If it is available, then book dot description, else not available. Last one will be genre. So genre input dot value book dot, do we have categories available here? Categories, yeah, categories is available. So this categories, if it is available, then book dot categories, and here we will be having equal to, else double quotes, not available. Okay, here we are done with this. We have our catch function where we can see error. Here we will add alert, and this will be error dot message. Save it and let's go and let's see for the books. So first we will check for this one, the Wings of Fire. So copy it, paste it here. Some of the details may not be available. This, let's go, let's check some another book. The Wings of Fire we added, some another book we will check. Famous books, ISBN number. Okay, we have some ISBN number available here, but if you will see this, it is like this. Maybe just copy it, we'll just paste it here. We'll remove this hyphens. Let's remove it and let's click on it. Now you'll see it is available. Like publishing date is also available. Here we added published date again. We missed out, so just do it correct. Published date it is. This will be genre, and this will be the description. So let's save it and let's check now. This is how it looks, and we may copy paste some book details. This one was Wings of Fire. This one was Animal Stories. Yeah, looks good. Genre is available, description is available, everything is available. You can see. What if we go and we check for some whose image is not available? Maybe the Alchemist was one of them. So we will check for that. Alchemist ISBN number. Maybe this one is paper black, not this one. Can use this if we can. Yes. So now if you'll see, we have this by default image which we have given on the page load. So that image will get loaded when there is no image available in your API call. So this is how our page will work, and we have achieved it, whatever we said, like getting the data, and we have created the design, headers and everything. So guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with the second part of this series, so stay tuned for that. Thank you and bye.